Hello dear students, I hope this video finds you well, and I know you people are doing very good preparation for your upcoming board exams. So today I will discuss one of the important topic from NLP topic for class 10th AI, that is TF-IDF. This is case-based question, and first of all you need to understand what is TF-IDF. So it is term frequency inverse document frequency, that is it is a statistical measure which is used in NLP so that you can know about the importance of a word and you can further work on that. There are multiple documents whenever you are working in NLP. There are multiple documents, and to evaluate the importance of particular word in those particular documents, and which is called corpus, so we design this TF-IDF. So first step is preparing term frequency table. So how to prepare that? These documents are given in question. These documents or multiple documents will be given. I have taken 3 documents here. Maybe you are having 4 or 2 documents or 5 documents. So accordingly, you will have to prepare this term frequency. So first of all, what you need to do, you just need to write the unique words here, starting from document 1. So for document 1, I will write all the words obviously, because these are unique for me. And now, whatever the unique words in document 2, take those words only. As Aman, I have already written. So I will write went, then to, and therapist. Then document 3, Anil, I have written went to download is unique for me. Then is already there. Then health and chatbot. Now, starting from document 1, if you find the given word in that document, give 1, otherwise 0. So, Aman is there, so 1. End is there, Anil is there, R is there, stress is there. So, all are there because we have taken first document. Now, the other words are not there, so we'll put 0 for that, because that word is not present in document 1. Now, take document 2. So, Aman is there, end nahi hai, then Anil bhi nahi hai, then so for Anil it will be 0, R will be 0, stress 0, vent it will be 1, 2, 1, A 1, therapist 1, and rest will be marked as 0. Now document 3, so same process will go. Aman will be 0, end will be 0, Anil is 1, R will be 0, stressed will be 0, vent will be 1, 2 will be 1 because 2 is there. A already है तो हम 1 दे देंगे उसको, therapist 0, download is 1, health is 1, and chatbot is 1. So this table is done. I have done. Now the second step is I have already made the tables to calculate document frequency table. What is document frequency table? You need to check how many times that word appear in different documents. Like Aman, तो Aman कितने documents में आया हुआ? Document 1 में भी है, document 2 में भी है. And I can check from the term frequency table, the total of 1 plus 1 will be 2. So Aman is 2, end is 1. So you just need to add this. जो ऊपर वाला टेबल में हमने किया हुआ है उसको सिर्फ आपको ऐड करना है और लिखते जाना है, right? So 1, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, this is 1, 1, 1, 1. So this table is already done. Now the next step is to calculate the inverse document frequency. Now what is inverse? Inverse मतलब उल्टा. तो क्या करना है हमें? First of all, I will write the number of documents. So that is 3 divided by the term frequency, document frequency table से दे लेना, तो which is 2. So 3 divided by 2. 2 कहाँ से लिया मैंने? जो मैंने document frequency table बनाया है उससे लिया है. ठीक है? 3 divided by 2. So for every word I will write. So 3 will remain same for everyone because documents सबके लिए same है. Number of documents is 3. ठीक है? So 3 divided by 2. This is 3 divide by 1, this is 3 divide by 1, this is 3 divide by 2 and so on. लिखते जाओ इसको. Therapist 3 divide by 1, 3 divide by 1, 3 divide by 1, 3 divide by 1. So if you are supposed to calculate the TDIIDF for the documents, so you will be making these three tables. और question इस तरीके भी से बात है, just create the document vector table. So for document vector table, you just need to create these three tables. Term frequency and document frequency भी बनाओगे तो दोनों tables में हमारा काम हो जाएगा. बट अगर आईडीएफ पूछा है तो आपको थर्ड टेबल भी बनाना पड़ेगा. एंड उसके बाद आपको अगर किसी पर्टिकुलर वर्ड का आईडीआईडीएफ पूछा है तो आप फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे. उसके लिए फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, सपोज मुझे अमन का निकालना है. सो TDIDF of Aman will be, the formula is TF, that is term frequency of that word. W represents word. तो अब यहाँ पे word क्या है, अमन. Star, which means multiply log IDF of W, which is word. Up now you can see log is there, so you will not be getting, you don't know, need not to worry कि आपको एक log का भी काम करना पड़ेगा. No, you just need to write this values आपको लिख लेना है. So TF of W is term frequency of W. Document frequency देख लो, it is 2 star. Right, just write log and IDF. What is IDF is 3 by 2. That's it. Till this you can leave. Need not to solve it. And suppose if you have given the log values in your question paper, अभी तक ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कभी भी, बट अगर आता है भी है तो आप जस्ट log का वैल्यू पुट कीजिए और उसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके लिख दीजिए. अगर आपको सारे का निकालना है, सपोज आपको बोला जाता है कि पूरा निकालो, वैसे इतना अभी तक आया नहीं है लेकिन फिर भी यू शुड बी प्रिपेयर फॉर एवरीथिंग. तो इफ they ask you to calculate the term frequency of each word from the given corpus, so what you need to do, again ये वाला टेबल बनाना है और आपको हर कॉलम के साथ में से अमन के नीचे आपको ये पूरा ऐसे फॉर्मूला लगाना है. फिर एंड के लिए फिर आपको ये वाला फॉर्मूला लगाना है. तो आप क्या करोगे, वैल्यूज बस 2 तो सबके लिए सेम रहेगा, सॉरी नहीं 2 सेम नहीं रहेगा सबका, ये आईडीएफ से लेगो. एंड का है तो 1 into हो जाएगा, अनिल है तो 2 into log हो जाएगा, आर है तो 1 into हो जाएगा. तो इस तरीके से आप उसको अप्लाई कर दोगे. सो आई होप दिस वीडियो विल हेल्प यू टू प्रैक्टिस. कोई भी एक कॉर्पस आप लेकर अपना क्वेश्चंस को प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. ओके, बाय बाय, टेक केयर.